Hey guys, I'm showing you this futon sofa bed. Convertible sleeper futon couch, adjustable backrest couch with a bed, small split back love seat. So as you can see, this comes in a big box and there are parts of it. So let me just show you the unboxing first. So these are actually in the box. So two parts of this sofa and then this compressed air cushion. This is the instruction. So that's tell like these are two parts of the sofa, two parts of the compressed cushions, and then nuts and legs of this couch. So the installation is straightforward. So I'm just releasing the air or the vacuum so that it will just take time to uncompress. So this will just fill up and get its own retain the size or the shape. So this will take some time. So the the leg ending is actually inside this zip lock. So one of the parts have this zip lock in the back, and then you will see this the pouch. So this pouch actually have the legs for the sofa and the screws and everything. So the screws and the legs are here. The tools for tightening the screws is provided, so we can just use this and put the screws. So there are actually three screw legs and two 4 screw legs. So these are the metal legs. So this is the tool to tighten up this. So I put it in this way because this 4 legs one will actually combine joint with these two, so from both side, and two type of screws as well, small and the big one. So you have to be careful while choosing these. So let me just put these legs. I put all these legs and then this is all set up. So this is the base, as you can see, and you can adjust the backrest here. So the total length is around 72.4. So I'm putting these cushions, and these cushions have these small ticks that you can put it in the base so that it will not move. So once you put all these things, so this will take some time to regain the whole shape and the size for this cushion. You can use it as a bed and you can tilt it over. So this is the flat form, and then as you can see, this is the soft and the compressed one. So this is a sofa when you put this back into the position. So nice futon.